For solopreneurs, the sense of overwhelm and not doing enough kind of coincide, where sometimes you just feel like you're spinning your wheels. Here's what I want to tell you today is that a little bit more strategy and figuring out what it is that you can offload to either a professional in that niche or bring on a virtual assistant to help you with those tasks that are sucking the life out of you is going to pay off 100-fold. Your ROI is going to be so much better when you can operate from a place of clarity and a place of not feeling super overwhelmed. If this resonates with you, feel free to reach out.